A bad bra fitting is the only thing that can give you aches and blisters. Whether it's a nasty underwire poking out or a tight bra band, here are some simple tricks to say goodbye to your bra problems. Are your shoulder straps digging into your shoulders and leaving blisters? Your panty liner can be your savior. Cut out a smaller part, place it under your strap, and wrap the panty liner around it. This will prevent any direct pressure on your shoulder and avoid rashes. Here's an easy hack for times when your underwire pokes out, digging into your skin. Take some moleskin or a part of your panty liner and cover the part of your underwire that's poking out. This will keep the underwire packaged and away from your skin. Loose-fitting bras can sometimes not give you enough support and cause pain from all the movements when you work out. For a quick fix, use your headband just above the chest to avoid excessive movement or discomfort. Here's an easy solution for a tight bra band. Use a paper clip to hook your bra strap ends together, giving you a more comfortable fit at the band without much effort. Switch to alternatives like a padded camisole or a bandeau, which will give you the benefit of a light bra but no shoulder pain or rashes. If the underwire is your enemy, opt for molded, wire-free bras which give you the shaping and look like that of a wired bra without the wire digging into your skin. Make sure you don't end up with a painful twisted underwire by always going for a hand wash. If you do end up with one, place it on a flat surface and press it together to give your underwire its shape back. Fix an old pilling bra by shaving it off with a gentle razor. Make sure you go in gentle downward strokes so that you don't create any tears. This will make sure your old bras don't cause you any rashes. We're sure these hacks will bid goodbye to all your painful bra moments. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.